PSAT prep for students, a la Shmoop. Hi, I'm Dave Simonoff, and I'm the founder of Shmoop. If you're watching this video, then either you're gearing up to take the PSAT, or you're very lost and you've wandered into the totally wrong part of the internet. But let's assume you're in the right place. Now, you may be asking yourself, Shmoop offers a lot of free resources. Why would I pay for a subscription? Well, the answer, our premium material is, premium. It's where we keep all the really good stuff. Top-of-the-line reviews, drills, and practice exams that mirror the actual test, perfectly preparing you for the real thing. Well, those high scores attract the best colleges. The best colleges give you the most prestigious degrees. The most prestigious degrees get you the highest paying jobs. And, well, you still want that stretched limo with the jacuzzi in the back, right? Okay, so time to sign up. A credit card is required, so ask your parent, grandparent, or favorite auntie for help. It's only $1 a day or so, so they shouldn't put up too much of a fight. Not 100% sure or experiencing commitment issues? Well, you can try Shmoop risk-free for 24 hours. And yeah, you can cancel any time within that 24-hour period. We're way easier to leave than your local gym, and we won't guilt you about your body image in the process. Well, when you first enter the world of Shmoop, you'll see the Shmoop Dashboard. This is the headquarters for Shmoop PSAT Prep, where you can enter a test date, which you will then eagerly await. Here you can track your PSAT prep progress and accomplishments. Your Shmoopified training plan could be the difference between victory and, disaster. We prefer victory. It's much more fun to rub in people's faces. We'll provide you with diagnostics that test your current knowledge of PSAT subjects and help you analyze weak spots by observing the skills section, so you spend time smoothing out your rough spots and not wasting time on concepts you already know like the back of your hand. On game day, you'll be so prepared you'll think PSAT stands for pathetically simple aptitude test. Of course, we do a lot more than just test prep. Shmoop will help you write essays with our popular essay lab, give you unlimited access to a wealth of courses on just about every subject under the sun, and provide you with basic and or advanced finance knowledge so you'll know what to do with all the money we're going to help you earn in your lives. There's also test prep for many other exams like the ACT and SAT, ad-free learning guides, and so much more. Your head would explode if we tried listing all of it. All right, well, you ready to get your feet wet with your 24-hour free trial? Yeah, we promise your toes won't get all wrinkly. Contact us at support@shmoop.com with any questions, compliments, or veiled threats. We'd love to hear from you. All right, Shmoop out.